All right. Welcome back to Australian Real Estate Riches. We always try to find those hot investment opportunities for you.
Yeah.
And today,
Yeah.
we're going deep
Mm.
into three of the most exciting cities down under
Yeah.
Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane.
Each one has its own unique flavor when
Right.
it comes to property investment.
Yeah. I'm seeing in your notes that you are particularly interested
Yes.
in those suburbs,
Yeah.
poised for some really strong returns.
Yeah.
So let's start off with Sydney,
Oh.
Australia's biggest city, drawing investors from all over.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we all know the city center can get pretty pricey,
Yeah, very much so.
but have you considered the outskirts?
That's where things get really interesting because Sydney's growth
Okay.
is expanding outwards
Uh-huh.
and creating these pockets of opportunity with attractive price points.
First stop on our Sydney suburb tour, Liverpool.
Okay.
I'm picturing a multicultural community with really solid infrastructure. And I think you mentioned something about an airport.
Right. Liverpool is close to the new Western Sydney Airport,
Okay.
which is predicted to generate over 28,000 jobs by 2031
Wow.
and attract billions in investment.
Oh, wow.
So think about what that ripple effect could do
Right.
on housing demand and property values.
That sounds like a potential gold mine for investors.
Yeah, definitely want to watch.
Now let's talk about Parramatta and Blacktown.
Great.
Parramatta is often called Sydney's second CBD.
Exactly. It's booming with job growth, new retail developments,
Great.
and excellent transportation links.
They're all very attractive to renters,
Very much so.
which means steady rental income and good returns for investors.
Yes.
Now, what about Blacktown?
Blacktown is another one to watch with its growing population and
Mhm.
improving infrastructure.
So both Parramatta and Blacktown
Yeah.
kind of offer that sweet spot,
Yeah.
affordability and growth potential.
Yeah, they do.
Now, shifting gears down south to Melbourne, known for its vibrant culture.
Yeah. And a seriously strong rental market.
Mm-hmm.
I bet that's caught your eye.
Melbourne's a fantastic example of a city with diverse suburbs,
Right?
each catering to a different investor profile.
Okay.
So you've got areas perfect for capital growth, others that are rental yield powerhouses,
Right.
and then those offering a bit of both.
Let's zoom in on a couple of those suburbs.
Okay.
First up, we have Footscray.
All right.
I've heard it has a bustling art scene, incredible food options,
Yes.
easy access to public transport.
All of that translates to a lifestyle that is highly desirable
Right.
to renters.
Right.
And for investors, that means consistent rental income.
Got it.
Another area on the rise is Sunshine,
Okay.
especially with its development as a central transport hub.
Mall for something completely different.
Okay.
Frankston,
All right.
coastal location, affordable prices,
Yeah.
and a revitalized atmosphere.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds pretty tempting.
It's a great combination of lifestyle and affordability.
Making it attractive to both residents and investors.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, the revitalization efforts have really boosted its appeal.
Right.
And there's strong rental demand driven by that desirable beachside lifestyle.
It really does sound like the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
A place you'd want to visit yourself
Mm-hmm.
with the potential for some solid returns.
Yeah.
Now, before we move on to Brisbane,
Okay.
what stands out to you about these Melbourne suburbs?
I think what's fascinating is how each caters to different needs.
Okay.
Footscray offers that trendy inner city lifestyle.
Uh-huh.
Sunshine is more up and coming
Okay.
with its transport hub.
Right.
And Frankston provides that relaxed coastal vibe.
Mm-hmm.
Each attracts a different type of renter,
Yeah.
which impacts rental yields and growth potential.
So many options already.
I know.
And we haven't even gotten to Brisbane yet.
There's a lot to cover.
Yeah.
Now,
And
Brisbane,
yeah.
it's often viewed as the more affordable sibling
Okay.
to Sydney and Melbourne, but don't underestimate it.
Okay.
It's attracting a wave of savvy investors
Right.
who recognize its potential.
It's like that hidden gem that everyone's suddenly discovering.
Yeah.
And with major infrastructure projects in the works, like the Cross River Rail
Mm-hmm.
and all the buzz from the 2032 Olympics,
Yeah,
Brisbane's property market
it is.
is set for some serious growth.
Exactly. These projects are going to be major catalysts,
Okay.
driving demand and increasing property values
Right.
across the city.
Like getting in now before the boom really takes off could be a strategic move.
Definitely.
Let's dive into some specific suburbs
Okay.
that have caught your eye.
Sure.
First up, Logan,
All right.
affordable prices,
Yeah.
steady population growth,
Mm-hmm.
and strong rental demand. thanks to its location between Brisbane and the Gold Coast.
It's a fantastic entry point for investors
Okay.
looking for value without overstretching their budget.
Right.
And that consistent rental demand ensures a reliable income stream.
Next on the list, we have Caboolture,
Okay.
part of the Northern Growth Corridor
Right.
with affordable housing and future transport and retail developments planned.
Absolutely. Caboolture is particularly appealing to families and first-time renters,
Right.
which translates to a healthy rental market for
Yeah.
investors. And those future developments will only add to its appeal
Right.
and drive up property values over time.
And last but not least, Springfield,
Okay.
a master-planned community with schools, shopping centers, and great transport links.
Sounds like they've thought of everything.
It does.
Springfield is a prime example of a well-rounded investment opportunity.
Okay.
It offers affordability, a strong rental market,
Right.
and a high quality of life,
Mm-hmm.
which attracts residents
Okay.
and fuels demand.
You know, it's interesting to compare these three Brisbane suburbs.
Yeah.
Logan offering that entry-level affordability,
Mm-hmm.
Caboolture riding the wave of future development, and Springfield with its focus on a well-planned community.
Each caters to a different type of investor.
Right.
Someone looking for cash flow might be drawn to Logan's consistent rental demand.
Okay.
Someone looking for long-term capital growth might be more interested in Caboolture's potential.
Mm-hmm.
And someone seeking a stable, balanced investment might find Springfield very appealing.
So we've covered Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane,
Yeah, we have.
each with its own unique advantages
Mm-hmm.
and a diverse range of suburbs
Right.
for investors to explore.
Mm-hmm.
What's the key takeaway for our listeners
Okay.
who are ready to jump into the Australian real estate market?
I think the most important thing is to understand your individual investment goals and risk tolerance.
Right.
Are you after rapid growth,
Okay.
stable rental income,
Mhm.
or a balanced approach?
Right.
Once you've identified your priorities, you
Yeah.
can narrow down your options and
Mhm.
focus on specific locations that align with your strategy.
It's all about finding that perfect fit. But with so many amazing opportunities,
Yeah,
it can be tough to choose.
that's true.
Any final words of wisdom
Sure.
to help our listeners navigate
Yeah.
the exciting world of real estate investing? Yeah, it really is a lot to take in.
It is.
So much potential in so many different areas.
Yeah.
What advice would you give someone who's feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the choices?
I always say knowledge is your best tool.
Okay.
Do your research,
Right.
talk to local experts,
Hmm.
and don't be afraid to ask questions.
Yeah.
The Australian property market is dynamic,
Mm.
offering incredible opportunities.
Mm-hmm.
But it's crucial to make informed decisions.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah,
And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way
that's
with insights and advice.
Definitely.
Today we've journeyed from Sydney's booming suburbs
Mm-hmm.
to Melbourne's cultural hotspots
Yeah,
and Brisbane's up-and-coming areas.
it's been a great trip.
It has.
Each city has a distinct personality and a range of investment opportunities just waiting to be discovered.
Absolutely.
And what's truly exciting is that this is just the beginning.
Right.
Within each city lie hidden pockets of potential,
Uh-huh.
each with unique characteristics and possibilities.
Right.
It's about uncovering those hidden gems that match your investment goals.
I like that, uncovering those hidden gems.
Yeah.
Now, as you delve deeper into these markets,
Okay.
I want to leave you with this thought.
All right.
What kind of legacy do you want to create
Ooh,
through your investments?
that's a powerful question.
Yeah.
Because real estate isn't simply about bricks and mortar.
Right.
It's about creating a foundation for your future, for your family's future,
Right.
and potentially even contributing to the growth and development of these vibrant Australian cities.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
So go out there, do your due diligence, and let your investment journey begin.
Yeah, good luck, everyone.
We'll be back next week with more insights and expert advice
Yes, we will.
to help you navigate the Australian real estate landscape.
That's right.
Until then, happy investing.
Bye, everyone.